Hi, in this video, you will master how to solve word problems leading to linear equation. Watch till the end and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more math helpful video. Question 1 says, I think of a number, I take away 14, the result is 13. What number am I thinking of? So this is a word problem question. Let's obtain the number we are thinking about. Now, the first thing we do is to assign a variable to the number. So we can establish that let the number be s. So the question says, I think of a number which is x. I take away 14, so this is minus 14, and the result is 13, equal to 13. Now, we are required to find the number we are thinking about. So looking at this equation, it is a linear equation. So to obtain the value of the number, we add 14 to both sides. So we have that this becomes x minus 14 plus 14 equal to 13 plus 14. So minus 14 plus 14 will cancel out. So we are left with x equal to 13 plus 14 is equal to 27. So therefore, the number I am thinking about is 27. Let us consider question 2. Question 2 says, 1/3 of a number is added to 4/5 of itself is equal to 17. Find the number. Now, we assign the number to be a variable. So we have that let the number be y. So we say that 1/3 of the number, which is 1/3 of y, is equal to 1 divided by 3 times y, which is equal to y divided by 3, because 1 times y is y. Again, the next statement states that 4/5 of that number is equal to 4 divided by 5 times y, which is equal to 4y divided by 5. But the question states that 1/3 of the number is added to 4/5 of that number, and the result is equal to 17. So we have that y divided by 3 plus 4y divided by 5 is equal to 17. Now at this point, we have to consider the denominators and look out for the LCM. Now the LCM of the denominators, which is 3 and 5, is equal to 15. So our expression becomes 15 multiplied by y divided by 3 plus 15 multiplied by 4y divided by 5 equal to 15 times 17. Now we use the LCM to multiply the equation because we want to eliminate the fraction. 3 divided itself is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 divided itself is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the equation reduces to 5 multiplied by y plus 3 times 4y is 12y equal to 15 times 17 is 255. Now we have 5y here and we have 12y here. So 5y plus 12y is equal to 17y equal to 255. Now to obtain the value of y, we have to divide the equation by 17, which is the coefficient of y. So at this point, 17 can cancel out 17. So y is equal to 255 divided by 17 is equal to 15. So therefore, the number is 15. Now, let us consider question number 3. The question states that the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 36. Find the numbers. So let the numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2, since they are consecutive numbers. So we have that the sum of these numbers is 36. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 36. So we can now simplify, and our equation becomes x plus x is 2x, 2x plus x is 3x, plus 1 plus 2 is 3, equal to 36. Now we have to move 3 to the right hand side. So the equation becomes 3x equal to 36 minus 3. So 3x is equal to 36 minus 3 is 33. So to obtain the value of x, we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of s, which is 3. So 3 here can cancel out 3. So we are left with x. 3 divided itself is 1. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So therefore s is equal to 11. Thus, the numbers are x, x plus 1, and x plus 2, which will now be equal to 11, 11 plus 1, and 11 plus 2, which is equal to 11, 12, and 13. Now, let us consider question number 4. The question states that a man is 4 times as old as his son. In 4 years' time, he will be 3 times as old. What is their ages now? So let's take up the solution of this word problem. So it said a man is 4 times as old as his son. So first of all, let the age of the son be x. So let a man's age be 4x, because the man is 4 times as old as his son. So in 4 years' time, the son's age will be x plus 4. And also, the man's age will be 4x plus 4. But the question states that in 4 years' time, the man's age will be 3 times as old as his son. So therefore, we have that 4x plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 4. This is because in 4 years' time, the man's age will be 3 times the age of his son. Now, to solve this, we have to open up the bracket in our right hand side. So we have that 4x plus 4 is equal to 3 times x is 3s, 3 times 4 is 12. Now we have to collect like terms. So the equation becomes 4x minus 3s is equal to 12 minus 4. So 4s minus 3s is equal to x, and 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So therefore, the son's age is equal to 8, and the man's age is equal to 4 times 8, which is equal to 32. Now, let us consider question number 5. The question states that a tank fills with water at a rate of 5x plus 2 liters per hour and empties at 3s minus 1 liters per hour. If the net inflow is 200 liters, find the value of x. So this is a word problem that will lead us to linear equation. So note that net flow is equal to inflow minus outflow rate. Thus, from the question, inflow rate is equal to 5x plus 2, and the outflow rate is equal to 3x minus 1. So from our equation, we have that 200 is equal to 5x plus 2 minus 3x minus 1. So we have this becomes 5x plus 2. We will use this negative sign here to open up the bracket. So minus times 3x is minus 3x. Minus times minus 1 is plus 1. So at this point, we can collect like terms. So we have that 200 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 3s. So 200 minus 2 minus 1 is giving us 197. 5s minus 3s is giving us 2x. Now to obtain the value of x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So 2 can cancel out 2. So x is equal to 197 divided by 2. So x is equal to 98.5. Thank you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more math helpful tips. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.